Hey, hi guys, welcome to YouTube and welcome to C and C++ graphics tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create arc by using C or C++ language. So let's get started. In previous video, I have shown you how you can create a rectangle. If you haven't watched that video, I will suggest you please watch that video. And now let's continue with this video. Let me show you first the output. I compile and run, and here you can see we got the output of the arc. Now we use arc function arc for creating the arc. We basically passes 5 values inside it, basically 5 parameters. The first 2 parameters are for the positioning. These two are the x and the y axis. Let me write here. The first is the x and then is the y. Why we use these 2 parameters? We use these 2 parameters for the positioning of our arc. These 2 parameters basically determine where our arc gonna stand in window. And then we have other 2 values. These 2 values are basically a degree. So here you can see, let me show you in the example. The circle is a 360. Okay, the circle is a 360, and the values of 360 goes from 0 to 360. Basically circles, this is a circle. If we have value from 0 to 360, we got the circle. But suppose, what if we just got 0 to 180? Then the circle will be the half, like this. And suppose if we got the value from 0 to 90, then in that case we just gonna get this thing. And all these lines, like in circular shape but not forming whole circle, are called arcs. And these 2 values are basically the degree values. The first value is a starting point, a starting degree, and the the fourth value is a ending degree. Suppose if you wanted to make this shape, okay, so this will be starting from 0 to 180. And suppose if you just wanted to have this shape, it will be going to start from 0 to 90, and both of these are the arcs. And this is and the arcs are basically created by these 2 values, the starting point and the ending point. Okay, and this is the last value, and this last value is a radius. Basically this is a radius. And now let me show you the whole example by drawing it. The first we pass is x and y values for basically positioning. Suppose if you wanted to have arc from center, we choose 150 as x and y, and then what we do, we choose 2 values. Suppose I wanted to create an arc from 0 to 45 degree. So first value will be 0 and the other will be 45, and these two will be combined. And how far this line gonna be from the circle will be controlled by the radius. Suppose if this from here to here, this line is a circle, and if we want to do basically push this line further, this blue line further, we have to increase our radius value, and then we can push the arc more. Now let's just create this example. Now in x and y we have put it 150, and these values are already there. And then in starting point we have 0, and in ending point we have 45. So 0 degree to 45 degree arc we are going to create. Okay, and in the last value it is just a radius. So I will keep this as a 50, compile and run, and let's see what kind of result we gonna get. and there you can see we have created the arc. And if I write now 180, it will be half circle. Compile and run. And there you can see we got the half circle, and if I write 0 to 360, then it gonna form a whole circle. And this is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye, take care, see you in next video.